to 50G fixed wing FPV Part 3 Dig It. In the last two videos, we watched as Mike fumbled his way through designing a flying wing under 250 grams. He started big, scaled way back, went fast, and went slow. Taking everything he learned, he designed the latest iteration, version 1.4a. He hoped to get a balance of fast speeds with longer flight time, all with enough spare weight to carry a Runcam Thumb Pro. Let's check it out.
Did a flight here, about 8 minutes 34 seconds. We'll round it up. It took a second for me to flip the switch, so that counts. Anyway, flies pretty well. I added that spar you see there. That, I think it cut down on some of the wobbliness. I think it's just the nature of the size here, and I mean, my camera's not exactly solid. It's just for testing. And then I also added more nose to shove the battery in there, because its center of gravity is kind of funky. But yeah, she good.
After a couple more test flights, this version proved to be a decent balance between performance and flight duration. At low speeds, Mike got flight times close to 15 minutes with a little loss in handling. At faster speeds, it was closer to between 6 and 9 minutes. Nice.
Alright, so a quick weigh-in of everything I flew. This battery is what I used with the thumb. Grand total 244. And actually, I still... hold on. It's less than that, because I still had my ballast from getting the center of gravity right. So without the ballast, 221, son. So I could do the higher weight battery, still be at 230. I could totally fit a flight controller in here and get some return to home stuff. So awesome. Mission triple accomplished.
So there it is. Mike set out to design a plane that can make it below the 250 gram limit using simple materials and leave room for a decent payload. Check the description for a link to the build plans. You can be sure he'll keep messing with new design ideas. So like and subscribe to 835 FPV and get in on that sweet hip-hop drone nerd action. Peace.